Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome to UA Code 1. Type echo hello and press enter and you will see the input echoed back at you. Okay, by clicking on view in full, see that here we have only one directory, that is Sahiba 1. If I type cd right now, it will not change, but ls then enter and then control X option. So full path. Basically, students, to run a binary, we have to give the full path. In this example, you can see that to run the hello.bin binary, we have to give the full path of this binary, that is temp slash aa slash hello bin. A binary is just executable code. Think a window exe file. Binary basically is a executable code just like a window exe file. Okay, if we want to learn, if we want to run a binary that is in current directory, I can type dot and the path of that binary. If we run a binary before the current directory, then we have to submit double dot and the path of that binary. Okay, hello would run a binary. The question is that how would you run a binary called hello using the directory shortcut? Students, in this question, I have to run a binary by shortcut method. So guys, you can run a binary by shortcut method as I did earlier, dot slash and hello. Right now this binary is not I created, so here some error occur, but the concept is that to run a binary directly I can use dot and slash hello. If we want to run a binary from home directory, you can use tilde sign and then slash and hello. It will run the binary from home directory. Tilde sign will be used to run directory, used to run the binary from home directory. So the answer of this question will be tilde/hello. The third question is that how would you run a binary called hello in previous directory? Okay, to run a binary from previous directory, you can use double dot and then slash and then hello. The correct answer will be double dot slash hello. The concept is that to run a directory from present, to run a binary from present directory, I have to use dot slash. To run a binary from home directory, I have to use tilde and then slash. To run a binary from previous directory, I have to use double dot slash. Okay, task 8 is completed now and we have to move on task 9. In this task, you can switch between different user by using su command. This command will be used to switch between different user. Okay, let's move on Linux Fundamental 2. Here you can see that now that you have done some beginner knowledge to using Linux, it's time you take it step further and join the Linux Fundamental 2. So guys, I have to start Linux Fundamental Part 2 in my next video. Stay tuned and keep watching my video. Stay blessed and Allah Hafiz.